Long ago, in the time of gods and dreams, there lived a boy named Iraqus, the son of a brilliant inventor. But Iraqus didn't dream of gold or glory. He dreamed of the sky. If only I could touch the sun. Just once. His father, Daedalus, was a man of great wisdom, an inventor whose creations defied the limits of men. The sun will burn you if you rise too far. I'll remember, Father. I'll just touch it, gently. At dawn, as seagulls took flight, Iraqus strapped on his magnificent wings. His father watched with a heart full of both pride and fear. Stay near me, Iraqus. And with the courage of the gods and the innocence of youth, Iraqus leapt. Father, I'm flying, I'm flying. For the first time, man danced among the clouds, but dreams burn brightest just before they fall. The sky turned a brilliant gold, and the sun glowed like a living god above. It's so close, so warm. Iraqus. Not too high. Remember my words. But the boy, lost in the beauty of his dream, only whispered, I just want to touch it, just once. He reached upward, his hand glowing in the sunlight. A single feather began to smoke, then melt. Another fell away, then another. And so the boy who wanted to touch the sun became part of the sky instead. Wax melted. The wings crumbled. Feathers scattered like stars as his reflection glimmered in the ocean just before he disappeared beneath the waves. My son, you flew too beautifully. But the gods did not forget Iraqus. They placed his spirit in every sunrise, a reminder to dream boldly, but never forget the warmth of the ground.